Hi guys, what's up? This is Mouli and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to take you through my brush cleaning process, how I clean my brushes, and it's totally worthy because you don't have to spend a lot of time, lot of product, lot of money, lot of anything. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through the step by step how I actually clean my brushes. So if you're interested, then please continue watching. Firstly, we need a big bowl and lukewarm water. So why lukewarm water? Basically it will get dissolved faster, the soaps and all of the things which I will be dissolving in a bit. So firstly I'm gonna use a liquid detergent. What happens with the powder detergent, it makes your brushes more harsh. After that I'm going to use a body wash. Now body wash helps to retain the moisture of your brushes, so that is really important. So definitely go for body wash rather than going for any regular soap which has a high amount of sulfate. After that I'm taking some hand wash. This is the Lifebuoy hand wash, and after that I am gonna mix all of these with the water and I'm gonna create some bubbles. As you can see, I'm just making the bubbles to make sure that all of the things are completely mixed up. So firstly we are gonna take this beauty blender. So you can just see I have just dunked this beauty blender once, and what is coming out from this beauty blender. So I do the contouring, applying tint, foundation, translucent powder, concealer, all of that sometimes with this beauty blender. So I wash it very often, like once in a week, not too much. That will harm my beauty blender. So don't just wash your beauty blender so often, okay? Just wash it once or twice in a week, and that's that. The result is already here. The brushes are already clean, the color of the water totally changed. I'm just gonna rub my brushes with the glass a little bit, not too much, okay? If you rub your brushes across the glass so roughly, then the bristles of the brushes will come off and the brushes will totally damage, okay? So just don't go so roughly, go gently. removing one by one. And after that I'm taking a clean towel, and after that I'm just softly removing the excess water from the brush with the help of the towel. And as you can see, this is the final result of my brushes. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is so budget friendly. You don't have to end up spending a lot of brush cleansers or anything of that sorts. It really works, you guys. So just try it once and you will thank me, and I'm sure of that. And yeah, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please help me to grow, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Stay happy, stay beautiful. I love you so much.